you ready? This October, join us for an unforgettable night of deep worship, powerful praise, and divine encounter. Theme: Let the Shofar Sound. With trumpets and sound of shofar, shouts for joy before the King, Adonai. It's going to be an atmosphere of intense worship that will bring life-changing encounters. Ministry: Superintendent Apostle Olushola Bankole, Adeola Onifere, Peculiar Voice, Afolabi Echo, and Folakemi Ododojesu. Date: October 31st, 2024. Time: 11 p.m. Venue: Jesse Tofumi Covenant Church of God, CNS Auditorium at 13 Prince Adekole Street, opposite Mile Pure Water, Ajegunle Ilo, Abule Iroko, Ogun State. Come and surely be blessed. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the tangible presence of God. Come and be part of this life-transforming